Could you... Could...
Gone fishing with a friend. And maybe buffalo hunting, too.
Buffalo hunting? I've gone buffalo hunting? What the fuck does that mean? Buffalo hunting?
Well, I'm sure I wouldn't know.
My God. He's afraid. He's done it again. The fucker split.